Groupers are famous in Malaysia for their mild yet distinct flavor, and people always cook them as lemon steam, tiga rasa, grilled, and many more. While they are named as grouper, they, in fact, do not stay in a group, but solitary type. They are intolerant of themselves or other similar fishes. Do you know Epinephelus areolatus are mostly bisexual, as they have the ability to change their sex as they mature? Here are some facts that you might want to know about the grouper besides of its taste. Let's explore more. How do we differentiate this species with other grouper? The common name of this species is areolate grouper, or known as orange spotted grouper. The total size of this species maximum 47 cm. How big it is? Physically, the color of their head, body, and fins pale are covered with numerous close-set brown, brownish yellow, or greenish yellow spots. The spots becoming smaller and increase in number as growth increases. The largest size of the spot can be as big as a pupil. Their head is smaller than those on operculum. How cute is that? Their pectoral fins is pale, with small dark spots on the rays. Posterior edge of caudal fin with a distinct white margin. They are feed on fish and benthic invertebrates, primarily prawns and crabs. Their origin from Indo-Pacific, the Red Sea and Persian Gulf to Natal, South Africa, and east to Fiji, north to Japan, south to the Arafura Sea and northern Australia, recently recorded from Tonga. Appears to be absent from Micronesia, Polynesia, and most islands of the western Indian Ocean. They are usually found in seagrass beds or on fine sediment bottoms near the rocky reefs, dead corals, or allisionarians. Now let's see what happens in their life cycle. Start with female adults who live in deep ocean. The grouper change female to male or male to female. It happens when there are not enough males in the population. The largest female will spontaneously become male based on pheromones and turning on and off genes triggered by environmental cues. Question is answered. After that, they migrate to spawning aggregation that happens between them. They let their eggs and sperm out into the water. That's called external fertilization method. The fertilized eggs can float to the surface of water. The fertilized eggs hatch within 24 hours, become larvae stages, and remains in the surface water when they grow and develop. Next, they are brought to the coast by ocean currents because they head towards a coastline where the juvenile will exist in nursery areas up to 5 years, which is the mangrove areas and estuary areas. This is because they are rich nutrients for grouper baby. Larvae stages feed on plankton. Juvenile stages feed on small crab, shrimp, and small fish. After they reach adult-sized fish, which is sexual maturity, they migrate out to coral reef. Cool, right? The services of areolate grouper can be provided as a food source, livelihood of fishing industry, economy, and commercial. Areolate grouper is a popular target for fisheries and aquaculture. Its meat is considered a delicacy in some regions, and it is often consumed as a source of protein. The areolate grouper contributes to the livelihoods of many fishermen and individuals involved in the fishing industry. It serves as a valuable resource for both small-scale and commercial fisheries. The areolate grouper is commercially important and can contribute significantly to the economy through the sale of its meat in local and international markets. Epinephelus areolatus is traded as a part of the seafood industry, contributing the commercial activities related to the buying and selling of fish and fish products. Aquaculture of Epinephelus areolatus is of paramount importance in meeting the growing demand for seafood. Let's explore why. Firstly, this aquaculture practice provides a sustainable alternative to wild harvesting, helping to conserve natural fish populations. With global seafood demand on rise, orange spotted grouper aquaculture contributes significantly to meeting this need, ensuring a stable and diverse seafood supply. Furthermore, responsible aquaculture practices promote environmental sustainability, proper waste management and resource use to minimize ecological impacts, safeguarding coastal ecosystem. Research and innovation play a crucial role. Continuous efforts in breeding, nutrition, and disease management enhance the efficiency and resilience of orange spotted grouper farming. In summary, aquaculture of Epinephelus areolatus is vital for food security, environmental conservation, and economic growth. By supporting sustainable practices, we can ensure a healthier future for our oceans and communities. Based on the Epinephelus areolatus, we can conclude that groupers have many other interesting facts and characteristics besides their taste. Their services in the community, livelihood, money, and commerce are the reason why we need to keep them in aquaculture by providing their basic needs and improving healthier habitats to reconstruct their population. It is important to know about groupers because you are what you eat.